Hello guys, this is Shئیر and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you that how to promote your gaming YouTube channel with Google Ads. Before I start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. So guys, let's start the video. Come on the computer screen and open the Chrome browser. Search Google Ads. Okay. Sign in. And new campaign. Okay, select the last one option, YouTube. Next, just follow the step what I'm doing now. Okay, it's very easy. You have to copy your link. Okay, so now first title is parachute and blood level. So the second station, whatever you want, you write here 35, but you can write. Okay, and next, then select the country. I want to show my ad at United States. बिकॉज यूनाइटेड स्टेट का जो सीपीएम है वो सो फार हाई है, तो हाई रेवेन्यू आपको मिल सकता है वहाँ से. तो आई रिकमेंडेड यू टू सेलेक्ट द यूनाइटेड स्टेट और यूनाइटेड किंगडम. देन नेक्स्ट, then you have to select the gender, age. So I select male female both, age like first one third and first two. Then next, वीडियो काफ़ी फास्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं ताकि टाइम ना लूँ और आपको सही से समझ आ जाए. ओके, कैटेगरी, विच काइंड ऑफ कैटेगरी यू वांट द पीपल शो योर एड. गेमर्स, ऑफ कोर्स यार, गेमर. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, then you have to enter the budget. Okay, I'm entering here like 2000 rupees, and I want to run the on the video my ad only in one day, like 2000 rupees में मैं one day में चाह रहा हूँ कि पूरा का पूरा spend करे 2000 rupees और one day में दिखा दे. You have to select your ad whatever you want, but by default जो डेटा आ रही है मैं वही select कर रहा हूँ अभी. Next, now this is the final one. Okay, your ad will be showing like that. If you want some changes, you can edit here. Otherwise, next. Okay, my campaign is ready now. So now after that I have to enter the billing information to complete this one. So you have to add your credit card detail, or if you have the coupon, so you have to enter and add campaign like that and promote your gaming YouTube channel. तो गाइस आज के लिए बस वीडियो इतनी ही थी. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let we meet in our next upcoming video. जब तक के लिए अपने भाई को दीजिए इजाजत. अल्लाह हाफिज.